Good day! In today's video I will show you how to repair an angle grinder DeWalt. What I will show you will be on a model 819 DeWalt, but if your model is different from this one, highly likely it will be very similar. So we'll fix the carbon brushes on this machine. And what are the symptoms before to do anything? Basically you put the machine on and it doesn't work at all. Or sometimes you want to put it on, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. It's a bit on and off, let's put it that way. Or sometimes as well you just touch it like that and sometimes it works. Okay, so usually it's a problem with the carbon brushes. Okay, now of course if the head on your machine doesn't go around, it's another problem altogether, and this has nothing to do with it. Okay, so if you got that problem, let's fix it now and you will see it costs next to nothing. To have access to the brushes, we will open it at the back. You see there's a screw here, so we take a Phillips screwdriver and we basically remove that long screw and we'll have direct access to the brushes. Okay, that's perfect. And now we simply pull it. Here we go. Now we have one here and one at the bottom. I have the carbon brushes with me, and of course I will place in the video the reference of those ones, but bear in mind those will fit only that machine. If your DeWalt is another model, highly likely the brushes will be different, okay, and will not fit. So just make sure before that they're okay. So what you will have to do, what I would advise you, it's either find someone that sells parts for DeWalt, and they will sell to you. Highly likely that will be more expensive as well. If not, what you do like I did. I went to a hardware shop. I've shown the old brushes and they gave me new ones. Okay, what this has cost me? This has cost me €4. So it's very cheap. So now I will show you how we're gonna remove it and replace it. To remove the brushes, very easy. You see there's a cable here that's hooked. So when I remove this first, okay, so you take a plier, a fine plier, and you grab it and you pull it out. Okay, that's it, it's out. Okay, now you pull this on the side. That's it. Now you will see that on top of the brushes there's a kind of spring, a round spring that goes on top. So we're gonna lift this up to free the brushes and we're gonna pull it by the cable like so, and here we go. Now we have the brushes. So what we'll do, we'll repeat the same operation at the bottom. Here we can see the difference between the new one and the old one, and that's the reason why the machine won't go when it's used like that. I've now fitted everything, and it's basically exactly the same thing but in reverse. Same way you have removed the brushes, same way you place them back. Don't forget to connect them, place the back parts, and then once it's done you simply try the machine if it works or not. And it works perfectly, so that's great. I'm very happy with that. So it's a very cheap repair. So I hope that you have liked it. I hope it's useful to you. Subscribe to the channel if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.